It's not just ghosts we need to fear, but a darkness known as demons. A team of demonologists from Christian ministers to Wiccans to Voodoo Priestesses and even Jewish Rabbi incorporate their beliefs with science and history to help those believed to be possessed by demons, even items that have dark spirits dwelling in them. Some occasions could have evil that resides in them as well. Through science and faith, these demon hunters will rid the evil that surrounds us. Sometimes the team will even come across demonic gateways or possible portals to the universe. Whatever resides, this team is on a quest for demons.